Hi guys, thanks for joining me again. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I turned my gaming computer into something more like my style. It's been a year since I made this video and I have decided to finally edit the footage. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Here's my computer. As you can see, it's black and it doesn't match the interior of my room. So my plan is I'm going to paint the monitor gold. For the speakers, I'm going to paint the majority white, but the little details like the screws and mesh covers will be gold. For the keyboard and mouse, I can do anything with it, so I'm just going to return it back to my brother. For this one, I'll be painting the front mesh cover with gold and the rest of the case white. I hope I don't mess this up. I know this will be hard and time consuming, but I'm gonna risk it. Anyways, let's start disassembling. Guys, I'm finally finished after weeks of working on this and it's so beautiful. I'm so proud of myself for doing this. Yeah, I'll show you what I did. On the wiring, this is how it looks like. It took me hours trying to organize the wires and it is still not that nice to look at, but you know, no one will see it unless they get on their knees. As you can see, I changed the gaming mouse to a simple one, which isn't that of a big deal to me since I'm not really a gamer. This is the keyboard, which I love typing on. It makes this clicky noise every time you press on the keys. Oh, it has 9 different light modes too. Just go. As you can see, the monitor, especially the speakers, look so cute and retro and unique. It's just like how I imagined it to look like. Here's how the PC setup looks like from afar. You can see the subwoofer down there. So yeah, I don't think I have anything left to say, but I'm really happy with how it looks like right now. This project was really fun to do and I hope this may give some of you guys ideas or inspiration if ever you want to change or if you're planning something for your computer. Anyways, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Bye!